Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Mountain Modernity, a guide to the modern wooden living room in the mountains, nestled amidst towering pines and breathtaking vistas. Your modern wooden mountain home awaits. Step inside the living room, and prepare to be wowed by a design that seamlessly blends contemporary elegance with the rustic charm of the mountains. Here's what defines this captivating space: walls of glass, panoramic vistas. The centerpiece of the living room is undoubtedly the expansive windows, often floor to ceiling. These walls of glass blur the lines between the interior and the breathtaking mountain scenery, creating a feeling of openness and inviting the beauty of nature inside. Natural light abundance. The ample use of glass bathes the living room in natural light, reducing the need for artificial lighting and showcasing the ever-changing colors of the sky throughout the day. Warm wood and natural materials. Earthy balance. Wood is the hero material in this design. Exposed wooden beams on the ceiling, warm wood paneling on accent walls, and stylish wooden furniture pieces create a sense of warmth and connection to the surrounding environment. Textural harmony. Balance the richness of wood with other natural materials like stone for the fireplace, optional, or woven rugs on the floor. These elements add a touch of texture and visual interest to the space. Airy and open floor plan. Spacious living. Modern mountain living rooms typically feature an open floor plan. This creates a sense of spaciousness, allows for natural light to flow freely throughout the space, and fosters a feeling of connection between the living room, dining area, and even the kitchen. Optional open concept design. Defined areas. Optional while the space is open. Subtle design elements can define different areas within the living room. Area rugs can visually separate the seating area from the fireplace area. Optional, or strategically placed furniture can create a cozy reading nook. Modern and functional furnishings, clean lines and comfort. The furniture in a modern mountain living room is a beautiful blend of clean lines and comfort. Opt for sleek sofas and armchairs upholstered in neutral tones like gray or beige. Leather sofas can also add a touch of sophistication. Functionality matters. Choose furniture pieces that are not only stylish but also functional. Consider coffee tables with storage compartments or ottomans that double as extra seating. A touch of mountain charm. Fireplace. Optional. A central feature in many modern mountain living rooms is a fireplace. This creates a focal point, provides warmth on chilly evenings, and sets the ambience for cozy nights spent indoors. Rustic accents. Optional. Incorporate subtle rustic accents like throw pillows with mountain motifs, a woven wool throw blanket draped over a chair, or a unique piece of driftwood art. These elements add a touch of mountain personality without overwhelming the modern aesthetic. Warming touches. Area rugs. A large area rug in a neutral tone or with a subtle geometric pattern can anchor the space and add a layer of warmth and comfort underfoot. Accent lighting. While natural light takes center stage, well-placed accent lighting adds ambience in the evenings. Consider floor lamps with warm lighting or strategically placed recessed lights. A modern wooden mountain house living room is not just a space. It's an experience. It's a place where you can relax, unwind, and connect with the beauty of the mountains. By incorporating the elements described above, you can create a living room that is both stylish and inviting, a true reflection of your modern mountain lifestyle. Embrace the majesty. Why design a modern wooden living room in the mountains? Imagine a living space that seamlessly blends contemporary elegance with the rustic charm of the mountains. A modern wooden living room nestled amidst towering pines and breathtaking vistas offers more than just aesthetics, it's an experience. Here's why you should consider this design for your mountain home: unparalleled connection with nature. Expansive windows create a living space that feels like an extension of the outdoors. Bathe in natural light, soak up the ever-changing mountain views, and experience a constant connection with the surrounding beauty. Warmth and tranquility. Wood, the defining element, brings a sense of warmth and tranquility to the space. It harmonizes with the natural environment and creates a feeling of being cocooned in a cozy mountain retreat. Spacious living. The open floor plan fosters a sense of openness and allows natural light to flow freely throughout the room. This creates a spacious and inviting environment perfect for relaxing, entertaining, or simply enjoying the company of loved ones. Modern comfort. Modern furniture blends clean lines with functionality. Stylish yet comfortable sofas and armchairs create a space perfect for curling up with a good book or enjoying a cup of coffee while taking in the views. Reflection of your style. This design allows you to incorporate touches of mountain charm through rustic accents or artwork. Personalize the space to reflect your unique style and create a living room that feels authentically yours. Crafting your mountain oasis. Getting started with a modern wooden living room design, ready to transform your mountain home living room into a haven of modern comfort and natural beauty. Here's a roadmap to get you started. 1. Define your vision. Consider how you'll use the living room. Do you prioritize relaxation, entertaining, or simply enjoying the views? This will guide your furniture choices and layout. 2. Embrace natural light. Maximize natural light by incorporating expansive windows or even sliding glass doors that open onto a deck or patio, optional. 3. Wood is your ally. Use wood throughout the space, exposing beams on the ceiling, adding wood paneling to accent walls. And choosing wooden furniture pieces. Opt for warm wood tones that complement the natural surroundings. 4. Open floor plan. Optional. Consider an open floor plan to create a sense of spaciousness and allow natural light to flow freely. Define different areas within the space using area rugs or furniture placement. 5. Modern and functional furniture. Choose furniture with clean lines and neutral tones that offer comfort and functionality. Consider pieces with built-in storage or ottomans that double as extra seating. 6. The allure of a fireplace. Optional. A fireplace can be a central feature, providing warmth on chilly evenings and creating a focal point for the room. 7. Subtle rustic touches. Incorporate a few rustic accents like throw pillows with mountain motifs, a woven wool throw blanket, or a unique piece of driftwood art. These elements add a touch of mountain personality without compromising the modern aesthetic. 8. Area rugs for warmth. A large area rug in a neutral tone or with a subtle geometric pattern can anchor the space and add a layer of warmth and comfort underfoot. 9. Lighting for ambience. While natural light takes center stage, consider adding accent lighting for evenings. Floor lamps with warm lighting or strategically placed recessed lights can create a cozy ambience. 10. Embrace the views. When arranging furniture, prioritize maximizing the mountain views. Arrange seating areas to face windows or create a cozy reading nook with a stunning view as your backdrop. A modern wooden living room in your mountain home is more than just a design choice, it's a way of life. By embracing the natural beauty of the mountains and incorporating these design elements, you can create a space that is both stylish and inviting, a haven for relaxation, reconnection with nature, and creating lasting memories. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.